the CEOs to share this small data set with us, because by now you should be having that data sets with you. At least 10-15 such names, if the nodal officers can be directed by you to share 10-15 such names with us, which you as CEOs are convinced are correct, both as self and as progeny. If you share that with us, we'll be able to test the efficacy of our data and our algorithm. I'll be grateful if that data can please be shared with us. So the second option is for the phonetic match, which we are categorizing as a partial match. The third one is the multiple matches. In multiple matches, obviously, there's a multiple combination of Seema and Seema's father. Obviously, the place and location comes into play. BLO needs to go. The last row that you're seeing is what the BLO's role is going to be. BLO has to go and ask, because he's going to be seeing on his app multiple names of Seema and Seema's father. So when he goes to the elector to pinpoint which is the combination which is correctly mapped to the elector in front of whom he's standing, he needs to ask the district, he needs to ask the AC, he'll have that provision in his app to do all these drop downs, and basis that the BLO confirms the okay. Vikas, you can ask Saksham to join at the end of the screen, at the end of this presentation, so that he can show the screens also of the BLO app. And if you can give me screenshots, it will be very good. If you are,
Sure.
it will be very good, or he can join. But I would prefer give the screenshots because it will save time for everybody. They can ask
Sure.
questions later. Just tell him to give the screenshots.
Okay.
So all this will be available to BLO on his screen. So for the third combination, which is going to be a fairly large, significant number of multiple matches, the BLO will have to go and make the right choice in the app. This is the questions he asks the elector, which is where the training of the BLO becomes very critical. Now we go to the next slide. Next slide, please. Progeny, yeah, correct. So the next slide now, the next is the data set of the progeny, which is going to be a significant number, because basis the maths that we have done, we have seen that the number of electors in 2003, there's been a quantum jump in the number of electors in 2025. So there's a huge gap that needs to be bridged. So progeny mapping, your BLOs are anyway doing. We are also trying to churn that data, but this is the combinations remain largely same as in the first match. In the first slide, the first column that you see is the exact match, which in the progeny case will be a very small number. The exact match, I'm expecting it to be a very small number. The icing on the whole thing would be the middle column, where the grandfather's name come into play, because grandfather is going to be that one unique aspect which is going to clinch the deal for uniquely knowing that elector, because the probability of the elector's father's name and the elector's grandfather's name being multiple is rare. But as you can see in the last column, chances do exist, but it is rare. So in this case also, in case of multiple matches of relative name and father's name and the elector's name, the grandfather's name is what the BLO is going to ask. In the background, that data has already been churned. The BLO will be given his options on the app, and he'll be able to pick from the right one basis the questions he asks the elector. The third option, as you can see on the screen, is multiple matches of the grandfather, which I feel is going to be rare, but nevertheless, basis the data that we have extracted so far, they are there. So again, BLO should be trained to use his wisdom and to match it. We are expecting the BLO would largely know his user base, because he's supposed to belong to that same place. So he would relatively be able to match them more easily. We are kind of maybe undermining. We've seen Bihar BLOs do a very splendid job. So I'm sure we need to maintain our faith in our BLOs. They should be able to do it, and not that we're giving them a facilitating tool. It should help them. We should now, I'll come to the screenshots. Have you received the screenshots? Just chase them and get the screenshots. Let's go to the next screen. Can you just make the screen bigger? What do I do? So let Namita, you share the screenshot. Let Namita not join it because is there. Just make this bigger, please. Now, this is a thing that I have done on my own thought process, because I thought the form was a little confusing. I don't know how many CEOs have found that a tad bit confusing. Please, MP gave a very good input here. I just finished my VC with MP as they had a different meeting. So if any of you can give more insights, just make it bigger, because make it more prominent. It's very small font. Isko zoom karo. Are you hearing, please? Vikas, can you make it bigger, please?
यस मैम।
बड़ा करिए थोड़ा। Get me the screenshots. Ask Saksham and get me 2-3 screenshots. थोड़ा बड़ा कर दो विकास। What happened?
मैम एक्चुअली Anam is present now.
I know, fine. She's trying to do.
Anam, हाँ.
Huh. So this is the EF that is part of the SIR instructions. I thought it was a tad bit confusing that what goes where, because at the end of the whole exercise of what the BLO puts in the app, he's supposed to fill this form per elector and take a snap of it and upload it in the app. So he has to fill this basis the data that he's entered in the app. Now, what goes where, I thought was a little confusing. So you can see on the screens, I would request CEOs, it's a very self-explanatory numbering that I've done. And if you feel this makes sense to you, because this is the last slide and we can initiate a conversation post this. This is the numbering that I've given for clarity of the BLO. So I would now throw the floor open to the CEOs to initiate a conversation. Have you got the screenshots?
मैम एक क्वेश्चन था यूपी से मैम।
प्लीज।
मैम एक्चुअली बीएलओ की क्वेरी थी कि कुछ वोटर्स ऐसे हैं मैम जिनका 2003 में नाम उस समय कुछ घर का नाम था मैम, घर का नाम था, और मैम बाद में कभी जब भी उन्होंने अपना रिवीजन में अपना एपिक नंबर में अपना फॉर्म 8 के माध्यम से अपना नाम एक्चुअल करवा लिया मैम, बट उनकी आइडेंटिटी, फादर नेम, उनका मकान नंबर और जो भी उनका क्रेडेंशियल है सारे मैच कर रहे हैं मैम, तो क्या इसको हम लोग तो मैप कर सकते हैं मैम?
अब नाउ दिस इज देखो, मेरे से पूछोगे तो बीएलओ अगर जानता है कि मेरे घर का नाम छुटकी है,
जी 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 जी,
तो अगर मेरे घर का नाम छुटकी है लेकिन आज की डेट में मेरे ऐप में मेरे ई रोल में सीमा है, तो आके वो मैपिंग तो ऐप में वो सीमा से दिखाएगा।
यस मैम, यस मैम, यस मैम, यस मैम।
बीएलओ जाके पूछेगा कि जी आपके बचपन, अगर वो बोलेगा जी मेरा नाम तो छुटकी है, तो छुटकी सीमा अगर वही एसी पार्ट मैपिंग करेंगे, फिर वो ये पूछेगा आपके फादर का नाम क्या है, छुटकी के फादर का नाम तो वही रहा होगा।
यस मैम, यस मैम, वो क्लियर है।
फिर उसमें वो ग्रैंडफादर का नाम भी पूछ सकता है, तो 2-4 प्रश्न उसको पूछने पड़ेंगे ये कंफर्म करने के लिए ये सीमा यही छुटकी है।
यस मैम, वो क्लियर है।
हाँ, तो अगर वो करेगा तो देखो बीएलओ इज द किंग हियर। अगर ही इज कन्विंस्ड कि सीमा सही इंसान है 2003 के साथ, तो वो डेफिनेटली हाँ बोल सकता है। आपके स्क्रीनशॉट में आपको दिखाने का प्रयास कर रही हूँ, पता नहीं क्यों नहीं मिल रहे हैं मुझे। छोटी सी चीज है अनम, कॉल अप सक्षम, इट्स अ स्मॉल थिंग है।
मैम जस्ट शेयरिंग, एक शेयर हो गया है, नेक्स्ट दे आर शेयरिंग।
मैम वन मोर क्वेश्चन मैम।
बोलिए
मैम। एक स्लाइड में आपका था कि मैम अगर प्रोजेनी का चूंकि एज 18 to 25 या 30 के बीच में है और उसके फादर का नाम 2003 की मतदाता सूची में क्लियर हो गया मैम, सारे क्रेडेंशियल मैच कर रहे हैं, तो बीएलओ उसको वेरीफाई कर देगा मैम।
बिल्कुल ठीक।
तो मैम जैसे ये तो वेरीफाई की लिस्ट में चला गया मैम, तो इट इज आल्सो मतलब चूंकि जो प्रोजेनी है उसका तो डॉक्यूमेंट हमारे पास नहीं, तो क्या उसको भी नोटिस जनरेट होगा मैम?
प्रोजेनी का डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं, अगर उसकी तुमने नहीं, वो तो बार बार सीसी सर ने हर मीटिंग में बोला है कि अगर बीओ रिश्ता जोड़ सकता है तो कोई डॉक्यूमेंट की आवश्यकता नहीं है।
लेकिन मैम उसमें मैम जैसे जो हमारा उसमें कमीशन के जो ऑर्डर में है कि मैम अगर उसका डेट ऑफ बर्थ 87 से 2003 के बीच में है या 2004 के बीच में, तो उसे खुद का भी डॉक्यूमेंट देना है, अपने फादर का भी देना है या मदर का भी देना है?
मैं इसको अगेन दोबारा भी यहाँ पूछ लूंगी कि जहां तक मेरी समझ है, अगर बार बार कमीशन ने, ऑनरेबल कमीशन ने यही दोहराया, आई हैव वेरी सीनियर ऑफिसर्स ऑफ द रूम, आई विल रिक्वेस्ट सीईओ ऑफ बंगाल आल्सो टू शेयर हिज इंटरप्रिटेशन। आई थिंक द डायरेक्शन इज वेरी क्लियर कि अगर आपका रिश्ता जुड़ गया है लास्ट एसआईआर के साथ, तो कोई डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं लेना है। इज दैट द अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऑफ ऑल द सीईओज आल्सो सर? I can request CEO West Bengal, Ratan, CEO.
Yes, of course.
And that is the
there is a match between the existing person along with the previous or their parents. We need not take any documents from them.
Correct. That is my understanding, Amit. I'm assuming it's Amit from UP speaking. So, मेरी भी यही understanding है Amit जो रतन ने बोला. I would request any other CEO to correct me if we think me and Ratan are wrong, but that is my understanding also. अग्रवाल साहब,
एडिशनल सीओ फ्रॉम गुजरात।
हाँ जी, हाँ जी।
हाँ, तो मतदार का नाम अगर सूची में नहीं है तो उसको तो डॉक्यूमेंट देना ही पड़ेगा ना। 2002 की मतदार यादी में अगर इसका नाम नहीं है एप्लीकेंट का, तो उसको तो डॉक्यूमेंट देना ही पड़ेगा।
अब उसमें ये है, एमपी ने भी
87 के 2004 के बीच में है या 2004 के बाद में है, जो जिसका नाम है उसको डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं देना है उसका।
नहीं, जैसे जहाँ पे ग्रैंडफादर के साथ भी रिश्ता जुड़ रहा है,
यस,
के साथ भी देने की आवश्यकता नहीं है।
तो नहीं तो ग्रैंडफादर का नहीं देना है, लेकिन खुद का तो देना ही पड़ेगा ना। अगर ग्रैंडफादर यहाँ
मेरे समझ के अनुसार अगर ग्रैंडफादर के साथ भी रिश्ता जुड़ रहा है, बिकॉज ग्रैंडफादर का नाम भी तो लास्ट एसआईआर में है, तभी तो रिश्ता जुड़ रहा है। तो अगर, और उसमें आप एसी, अगर आप फॉर्म देखेंगे, अगर आप फॉर्म खोल दो दोबारा, विकास, उसमें एसी पार्ट सीरियल नंबर लिया जा रहा है। तो अगर लिया जा रहा है तो रिश्ता जुड़ गया ना, तो मेरी समझ के अनुसार नहीं लेने की आवश्यकता है। बट आई लीव इट टू,
No, you're right, ma'am. What you're saying is correct.
हाँ, मेरे समझ के अनुसार नहीं लेने की आवश्यकता है। But again, all of us have been hearing the same thing. If you want me to once again confirm from Honorable CEC sir, I can. But you all have equal access to him. So आप भी उनसे पूछ लीजिए। मेरी समझ के अनुसार यही है। But then again, I leave it to the wisdom of all the CEOs connected today. Ratan is also on the same page as my understanding. I leave it to the other CEOs. Archana, if you want to chip in here. Is that how you?
As ma'am is telling, yes, ma'am.
Even her
If we
understanding.
are able to link, then there is no need of getting any notice or document.
Precisely. That is what our understanding is too. I would request CEO West Bengal sir if he wants to add anything to this.
Ma'am, I don't think there is any problem because BLO is going to the house and that person is present there and he's asking questions and all. If he finds that already he is there, why any document is required, ma'am? Why
Correct.
any linkage is required? Because he's going to the field, ma'am. That is the ultimate inquiry.
Correct, sir.
It's not a tabletop exercise. He's going to the field. He can very well link up everything there.
Correct, sir. Correct.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
मेरी भी यही understanding है. So does that answer the question, Ramit, that you raised?
ठीक है मैम, ओके मैम।
I would now again request if the screenshots have come. थोड़े से आगे तो वही दिखा दो। सी BLO ऐप के आ गए ना, दिखा दो। हाँ आदर्श, आप पूछ सकते हैं जब तक कि वो दिखा रही है।
Ma'am from Puducherry, ma'am, a question. So our 2002 SIR role is in the regional language only.
Correct.
Will it be useful for phonetic matching that you mentioned in the slides?
Yes, we have done the Unicode matching, so it's going to be doing all that.
Okay, fine.
It's a very valiant, I'm very honest with everybody. It's a very valiant attempt, a very ambitious attempt, and on such a large scale data. Let's see where we reach. I'm trying to be very optimistic. I'm trying to stay optimistic. So let's hope my optimism remains when we roll it out. We're trying the best we possibly can. We're trying the best we possibly can.
Ma'am, Sridhar from Tamil Nadu, ma'am.
Hanji, please.
Ma'am, one small clarification. In this form, I'm actually in that progeny thing. So, for example, if the elector or the parent's name is not there in the previous role, but the grandparent's name is already there. So, in that case, we can use the progeny column to fill up the details of the grandparents, ma'am.
That's precisely what MP raised, and that's precisely what MP is doing. I don't know whether MP is connected with us. I had requested one or two guys from MP to stay connected, but this is precisely the point which MP raised, and MP raised, they said it very precisely, that if the BLO is going and BLO is able to build a relationship of the elector in 2025 with the elector, with the grandparents in 2020, this thing, then on the progeny side, where the name field is appearing, on the form, you will actually write the grandfather's and grandmother's name. Sridhar.
Yes, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
मैम छत्तीसगढ़ से मैम।
हाँ जी सर।
मैम जितने भी हम मैचिंग कराना चाह रहे हैं मैम, तो वो दूसरे स्टेट के जो इलेक्टोरल रोल हैं वो उनके लैंग्वेज में है मैम, जैसे तेलुगु में या कन्नड़ में, इस तरह से, तो उसको हम हिंदी से मैच नहीं करा पा रहे हैं मैम, क्योंकि वो लैंग्वेज हम समझ नहीं पा रहे हैं। इसके लिए कुछ प्रोविजन करना पड़ेगा।
नहीं, इसके लिए हम आपकी मदद करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, बिकॉज सिस्टम समझ जाता है, तो इसलिए हम ये प्रयास कर रहे हैं कि जब आपको ऐप में दिखाया जाएगा, सिस्टम ये दिमाग लगा के दिखाएगा इररिस्पेक्टिव ऑफ द लैंग्वेज। तभी हम आपको वो मतलब सिस्टम में ये हमने इंटेलिजेंस डाली हुई है, अभी वही प्रयास है। Again, I'm repeating myself just to convince myself that it's a very valiant effort that we're doing. So ye matching of across languages, 22 of them, 21 or 22 of them. And in the Devanagari script and all that. So we're trying to do all that, and the system is taking care of that. It's supposed to be taking care of that, which is why I'm requesting everybody to again share 15-20 ऐसे electors का नाम जो आप लोग convinced हैं कि correct है, ताकि हम ये test कर पाए. आप हिंदी में शेयर कीजिए, रतन के मलयालम में शेयर करेंगे, वेस्ट बंगाल सीईओ सर बंगाली में शेयर करेंगे. एक आपसे एक्सपेक्टेशन है कि आप हमें 10-15 ऐसे दे दीजिए प्लीज. ऐसे तक तो इतना तो निकल गया होगा आप लोग.
ओके मैम, थैंक यू मैम.
हाँ जी, तो ये अभी दिख रहा है आपको. अभी बीएलओ का फर्स्ट स्क्रीन ये होगा, उसको ये दिखेगा बीएलओ मैप सिस्टम सजेस्टेड सर्च. इसमें उसको बोल देना सर्च बाय लोकेशन लिख देगा, नहीं वो बात की बात है. तो बीएलओ मैप में आपको वो दिखेगा जो आपके बीएलओ एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हैं, प्लस इसके अंदर जो आप लोगों ने एपिक डेटा हमें मिला है, प्लस 2-4 इंटेलिजेंस चीजें हमने और डालने की कोशिश की है. तो पहला ऑप्शन बीएलओ को वही दिखेगा जो उसने मैप किया है, प्लस उसके ऊपर जो इंटेलिजेंस सिस्टम ने जनरेट की है. तो उसको आगे यहाँ पे अभी इस समय आपको वेरीफाई एंड कंटिन्यू का ऑप्शन दिखेगा, या राइट साइड पे ऊपर अपडेट का ऑप्शन दिखेगा. बीएलओ इज फ्री टू चूज एनी ऑफ द टू. अगर उसको लगता है कि जो उसको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है सही है तो वो वेरीफाई एंड कंटिन्यू दबा देगा, लेकिन अगर वो कन्विंस्ड है कि नहीं ये सही नहीं है तो वो अपडेट का बटन दबाएगा. वेरीफाई एंड कंटिन्यू करिए प्लीज. इफ इट्स इन द वो स्टेज तक ये आप पहुंच गए. हाँ, वेरीफाई एंड कंटिन्यू करिए. अब ये सर्च पे डाल दिया, नहीं गो बैक, बीएलओ मैप पे जाइए, वेरीफाई एंड कंटिन्यू करो. दिस इज ओनली द स्क्रीनशॉट.
Ma'am,
Okay.
Arnab is there. If want, then we can share the live.
Who's there?
Arnab from the testing team.
अच्छा, अर्नब को फिर दिखा दो.
Arnab, you can share your screen.
We can take inputs also. Screen share कर दो. तो ये वाला मॉड्यूल सिर्फ उन स्टेट्स में, दिस मॉड्यूल विल बी विजिबल ओनली टू दो स्टेट्स व्हिच हैव गॉन इनटू एसआईआर. इट इज नॉट गोइंग टू बी विजिबल टू द रेस्ट ऑफ द कंट्री. सो नाउ यू कैन प्लीज सेलेक्ट. We'll go live with English. We are trying other languages, but we are going live with English. So please bear with us. Now, EF distribution tracker is already live with your BLOs, which the video also I shared in the group. I'm assuming all of you have converted that into vernacular language. And if you feel you can make a better video, please go ahead and do it. This video is not binding. Whatever videos I share in the group are just indicative and the best effort we have done. But if you feel you can make your BLO understand better with the video that you have made, please go right ahead and make that video and do it. Amit was saying that he has converted that video into Hindi. So Amit, you were planning to share that in the group. आप एक बार डाल दीजिएगा. So
मैं अभी डाल दे रहा हूँ तुरंत.
Very good.
Yes.
So again, the video is indicative. If you can make a better video, please do. Archana has raised her hand. So can Archana please go ahead. You see you Tamil Nadu is raising hand.
Ma'am, Sridhar here, ma'am. One more
Sridhar,
small clarification, ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am, actually, you said that whatever during mapping, the AC number, part number, and serial number will be unique to that elector.
Yes.
So there is no issue in that. But I presume in case we are giving the father's name or the grandfather's name, that will allow more than one entry, ma'am. Because a person, the father can have more than one child.
That is the progeny. That is the case. I think there's too much echo. There's too much echo. Somebody. No, so that only case comes into play, Sridhar, if the left side the elector is not there. So you're trying to map as a progeny. As a normal progeny, you will be unique only, na? As a normal progeny, you will
That
be
is fine.
unique.
That is fine. Only in case the father he has more than one child, in that case, it's the same. One to many cases are there.
Again, Sridhar, let me pause you there. Even if it has got multiple cases, when you build a relationship between elector name, father name, and grandfather will be unique. Please think. If you have Seema's name, Seema's father's name, and Seema's grandfather's name, even if my grandfather has 10 children.
No, ma'am. That is, I am not asking that, ma'am. A person has 2 children, say one son and one daughter. So they are showing the father as the person who is in the previous role.
In
In
which
that case, the father's name, the serial number will be repeated for both the son and the daughter. Will that allow the system allow that? That is my question.
Yeah, again, I'm saying the system is already, in such cases, system has already generated the data showing that Seema's father, Seema's grandfather's relationship. So when the BLO will go, that grandfather will appear only against limited such children. He will not appear against beyond the limited children. The case that you are talking about, that is a case where the self is not marked in 2003.
Yes,
Where the self is not marked as 2003, in that particular case, when you pick up the father and you start looking and you don't have a single match, you don't have a 1-to-1 match, then you pick up the father and you go to the 2003, you get multiple fathers. You getting it? You get multiple fathers, and with multiple fathers, you get multiple grandfathers. You getting the case, Sridhar?
No, ma'am. My question is different, ma'am. My name is Sridhar. My father's name is Venkatakrishnan. So my name is not present in the 2002 rolls. So now I am searching and I have found my match. My father's name is there in the 2000 roll. So I am matching that. I am giving the father's AC number, part number, serial number as the mapping data. So similarly, my sister is there. She also is not there in the 2002 roll, but my father is there. So can she map the same father's data there? That is what is my
What I'm
question.
responding to, which is again what I'm responding to. Your sister is an independent elector. You are an independent elector, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
In
ma'am.
the 2025 e-roll, your sister is unique. You are unique, correct?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
You share a common father, correct? But between your common father, you have the same grandfather also.
Yes, ma'am.
So when the app BLO will go, he will go to your sister. He will go to your sister and he'll ask, what is your father's name? She will give the father's name.
Yes, ma'am.
He'll ask, what is your grandfather's name?
Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
The system will show him that this lady's grandfather's name is X. If the system is showing it, it means from the background it's already been mapped. He can have multiple such cases, and yes, but the string that is going to be made is in the system is going to be unique between your sister's name, your father's name, and your grandfather's name. But in cases where the father, you get multiple hits. It can also be possible that the father that you're searching in 2003 are multiple. Correct, Sridhar?
Yes, ma'am.
The case that you are mentioning, that is a unique case. You get one father.
Yes.
If you get multiple fathers, then you will get multiple grandfathers also, na?
Yes, possible. Yes, ma'am.
Obviously, each father will have a different father's name, na?
Yes,
So in
ma'am.
that scenario, when the BLO will go and he will ask, what is your father's name? The app will show all the fathers and all the grandfathers.
So அதுல pick பண்ணி எடுத்து select பண்ணி update
When he has to select, then he has to ask more questions that you were in which district, which AC, which section, the section data that you're going to be sharing with us. Understood? That is how the drop down will change, because he'll go and ask and he'll say, Gee, you were in which section? The person will give the section's name, because section in Hindi is a locality or a mohalla. He will give some name, then he'll say, then this is not you here, then it's a different one. You getting it? The father relationship will change, the dynamics will change. You understanding? Until and unless you're very clear that you say that Seema's father are multiple fathers, what is your grandfather's name? From the drop down, he can see that there is a drop down which says Seema's father and grandfather. He'll say, your grandfather's name is this. Okay, then this is you. You get it, Sridhar? Am I clear?
Okay, ma'am.
No, are you clear? You need to be convinced that I'm right. Are you clear?
Okay, ma'am. Any doubts, I'll get back to you, ma'am. I'll just think.
Talk to me offline. This is very important, because you need to be clear when you talk to your BLOs.
Okay, fine.
But I'm saying you can change the PPT any which way you want. You need to be clear, because there is a one match where I can uniquely match the father with you. That is one match. That is the least of the problems, where I can uniquely match you and your father. That's a good condition. Correct? Where your father itself is multiple, that's where the problem starts. You getting it? So you take it to a deep offline.
Back end, they are linking it. They have linked up their things.
Yes, we have done it, but then the BLO has to ask the right questions to enable the radio button in the app. You getting it? Because if he marks the wrong person, then that slot is gone. You clear?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
You can call me a million times also. I don't have a problem. Please, we need to be on the
Yes,
same.
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Clear. So now we go to fill in. It's a distribution tracker. You all are very aware. The video has been shared by Amit in the group. So Chhattisgarh, MP, and Rajasthan can choose to use that same video for their training of their BLOs also. I think he's done that. That is for EF distribution tracker. Now we go to fill enumeration form. Please click on fill enumeration form. Now scan QR code. Obviously, it's on a staging app, so you will not get the actual QR code. Otherwise, there'll be an actual QR code. The BLO will take this thing on the phone and it'll scan. It will make you jump to the correct person. So anyway, I'm sure you all have done that. Now let me go to the next one. What is important here is under each elector, you will find a fill form and a mark uncollectible. Mark uncollectible is those conditions, the 4 conditions which are absent, untraceable and absent, dead, already enrolled and permanently shifted. These are the 4 conditions in which the BLO will mark as uncollectible, which was the number 65 lakhs which we got in Bihar. Let's see how much we get from your states. But this is what he's going to mark. What is additionally being done this time is we have given a reason. I mean, BLO has to tell why is he marking this person like that. And we must have done basis some questions that he has asked, right? So basis that maximum 150 characters, he'll be allowed to type something in the phone in any language he chooses to. We can interpret it from the background that why is he marking an elector in under one of these 4 conditions. Going down, he's expected to upload the enumeration form which he has filled. Even on the enumeration form that he will, in such cases which he will take from the elector, he has to write on that what is the reason, it's dead, and then take a photo and upload. We would recommend that you tell your BLOs in case of death, etc., they upload the death certificate, which is what the option you see in the second option. But then again, this is not mandatory. We would urge you to tell your BLOs to upload the death certificate if they can get it, because that makes the endorsement more, firm. Otherwise, it's a matter of hearsay. It's a matter of hearsay. So now we go back. Let's go back. Now we go to fill form. Go to fill form. Fill form has got 3 options. The third one we'll rename as search by location. First one, like I was saying, is the BLO map, which is the BLO tabletop that you guys are doing. Plus the little intelligence that we as IT basis the data churning we have added. So he can either verify and continue, or he can update and go to the next screen. The next is system suggested. Go to the system suggested. System suggested, like I was saying, he's going to get multiple drop downs. This is the questions that he asks. He will be able to fill it up. Next, we go to search. Search by location. He will now again have to crop.
Ma'am, one question from West Bengal, ma'am.
Hanji.
Ma'am, in last slide, you said that which is uncollectible, either they have to mark already enrolled or death, permanently shifted, or untraceable and absent. But in case of ma'am, the BLO will hand over 2 number of forms to the elector. And if the forms is not written.
No. How will you hand over when the elector is not there? All the 4 conditions, the elector is not there. Who will he hand over the form to?
No, ma'am. BLO will hand over to form to the family. Any of the family member can receive the forms of the elector.
Okay.
Ma'am, if one of the forms is not returned back, then how he will feed it back in the app, ma'am?
He has the copy now. He's got 2 forms. One he has to take. If he doesn't, okay, wait. If he does not, please just make yourself mute, please. If he does not get an EF back, his name is not going into draft roll.
Oh, then this thing, has not to be filled up.
Meaning?
Or has to be marked.
Only after getting back has to be marked.
Only after getting back.
Only after getting back he has to mark. In every
how untraceable and absent can be marked, sir?
You are going to pick up the form from the house. You are going to the house. You are seeing everything. He is saying कि 3 दिया मैंने 3 बार जाना है आपको 3 बार लेना है आपको वो कहेगा नहीं देना मर चुका है या बोलेगा ये तो शिफ्ट हो चुका है, कहीं और का वोटर बन चुका है, या ये बोलेगा ये तो एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं कर रहा था यहाँ पे, मेरा एड्रेस यही है इसका।
जो उसका फैमिली मेंबर को पूछ के बोलना पड़ेगा। अच्छा,
मतलब फैमिली का मीनिंग क्या है? तभी तो जब साइन करने का पावर दिया है, तो ओनर्स इज टू टेल दैट आल्सो। ओनर्स कैन बी दैट थिंग, ये सब बेनिफिट हो गया, कुछ ओनर्स नहीं लेना। सपोज ही कम्स टू माय हाउस, माय फादर इज डेड, आई टेल हिम कि मेरा फादर मर गया, बात खत्म।
सर, ओके मैम, अंडरस्टूड।
Wonderful. Then go to search by location. Now he goes to search by location. He has to, because now search by location means you're looking at him, you're trying to find the elector somewhere. He's somewhere in the cloud, he's somewhere in some state. You're trying to find him because the first two options did not work. Then you have to start from basic. Was elector there in 2003? Is elector a progeny of 2003? Neither elector nor progeny of 2003. So these are the options that you will be given. Depending on one, you can do it. Once the app is fully ready, we will be giving you a demo again, running you through it, and you can then take it forward. But I've spoken enough. I would like to stop here. I hope you all have understood what I'm trying to say here. I would now open the floor to any questions, or we can share the PPT. Anything else? You can stop sharing so that we can converse with the CEOs now.
Madam, kindly share the PPT, then we'll take it forward.
Are you any questions, or was that requirement clear?
No, it's clear, ma'am.
Thank you.
At least I don't have any questions.
Wonderful. Thank you so much. Any other CEO has any questions, please? Otherwise, I'll share the PPT. You, as I repeatedly said, you're free to break it up, change it, do whatever you want, as long as the intent of what we are trying to say in the PPT is retained. I'm just reiterating, in the BLO app, you will very soon be getting a pop-up. So please tell them also this. They have to complete this before 4. I hope all CEOs have no issue in accessing their respective dashboards. If you face any issue, I'm available 24/7. Please call me. Any questions from any CEO, please? Ratan has made it clear. Agarwal sir, any questions? CEO West Bengal sir? You can't hear me? Archana, any questions, please?
Ma'am, nothing except what we had asked yesterday, ma'am. Suppose a VLA makes an error because of whatever issue. Okay. What is the other option, ma'am?
ERO can always change it.
BLO can?
You want an edit option? You want an edit option for BLO?
No, ma'am. I'm just asking, ma'am. What is the option there? These are all touch phones. Easily something may.
The only option is that if you trust your BLO to rectify it, you give me a consensus in the room, because the app is being made as per your comfort. If you want, I can give an edit option to BLO. He can always undo what he's doing. The other option is, after submitting it, he can always do that. The other option is, we give the task of editing to ERO. You take a call and tell me, we'll make the changes accordingly.
Okay, ma'am. We can take the opinion of other CEOs also, ma'am, on this, because it may be a common issue.
It is. So please, everybody can tell us what to do so that we can incorporate it now itself. Anybody wants to say anything? CEO Uttar Pradesh, Office of CEO Uttar Pradesh.
Ma'am, no problem, ma'am. I clear, ma'am.
Thank you. CEO Chhattisgarh, please.
Ma'am, BLO can be given option to edit or undo his opinion once.
Okay, hello. Point taken. So Archana, you and Chhattisgarh want the edit option done. CEO MP, we have already spoken. CEO Rajasthan, has he managed to? I mean, is anybody connected with us from Rajasthan?
Ma'am, from Rajasthan, ma'am, IT team.
Okay, any questions, please?
Ma'am, the search module you have shown in the app is throughout the country, or it is restricted to state only?
It is throughout the country, as long as you select the state, district, AC, and the section. I hope you guys are sharing the section with us today. Team Rajasthan, have you got the directions to share the section with us?
Yes, I will share it by end of today.
The search is across India, but you have to select from the drop downs, because it cannot run pan India without any selections.
Sure, ma'am.
Yeah. So the drop downs have you put, and you'll be able to search it pan India. CEO Andamans and CEO Puducherry, Office of Andamans and Puducherry, any questions, please?
Ma'am, after progeny marking, will the BLO be able to see enter the family members along with the parents?
I didn't get it. Kya bol rahe hain? I didn't get it.
After this marking is over, will the BLO be able to see family wise? grouping parents and children in the report?
I'm so sorry, I'm not getting the question. I'm so sorry. Can somebody please explain it to me? I'm so sorry.
So, ma'am, IT nodal, I'm a CEO on the man. IT nodal wants whether there is a provision when we do the progeny mapping. After the progeny mapping is completed, whether the BLO will be able to see the family members as a grouping together. Whether
Okay.
that information will be
Okay,
available.
you are saying that I should be able to search for Seema and you should know who's Seema's Dadaji, who's Seema's father and all that.
That is what. That
Is on the roadmap. And by the end of the SIR, if you actually go and search for Seema, you'll even be able to figure out perhaps who's Seema's paternal father, paternal mother, paternal uncle, paternal this, paternal that. By the end of SIR, after the data that we perhaps collect, we should be in a position to do that. Tarun ko bula, Manik ko bula, Tarun ko bula. Hanji. CEO Puducherry, Officer CEO Puducherry, any questions?
Nothing as of now, ma'am. We are clear on what it is.
Thank you. Hanji.
Ma'am, we have modes of filling up of EF's online submission and also BLO will digitize. But will there be any option of digitization of hard copy of EF through operator login?
Last time it was not considered a very good option because operators are likely to make a mistake and then you open a Pandora's box. Last time SIR, this option was not done. And whether
login, ma'am, would that be available this test?
With what?
Bihar, I think, did through operator login.
No, they corrected. They did it post notice period. We did not allow through operator login. We did not allow operators to enter. But
After publication, there would be the functionality of operator.
Correct. Although your voice is breaking, I couldn't hear that last part. But I think I responded to that. But I would just like to respond to an online thing that you raised, which was very important. I missed covering that. Elector will be given an option to submit a form online, but please note that the online form submission will be through an e-sign. So if you're planning to do publications and what is the publicity in your respective states, I would urge you that when you do that, either show it to us once what you are publicizing from an IT initiative standpoint, or if you don't want to, we're perfectly fine with it. I'm just explaining that when you submit a form online, it will be e-signed and the elector's name should be exactly what it is on the Aadhaar card. If there's any spelling deviation, that elector will not be able to submit the form. This will be shown to him when he's trying to enter. He'll be prompted for that. So please,
would there be a restriction that how many forms a family member on behalf of anybody can submit? Suppose I as a father want to submit.
Please pause. Please understand what I'm trying to say here, then you will not ask this question. Please hear me. Online form submission is through e-sign. That means I can only fill my form. I cannot fill a form for somebody else. That's what I'm saying. Then your question will become moot. E-sign last time in Bihar, you could fill for anybody because only an OTP was required. As a result, I filled up the form for Mr. Yashwant Kumar. I went and I was in a mood and I filled up the form for Ratan because I filled up anybody's mobile number, put the OTP and I submitted the form. The poor BLO and everybody went into a tizzy trying to figure out who filled up whose form.
ये तो प्रॉब्लम हुई कर्नाटका में भी everywhere.
So this time you will only be able to fill your form.
Yes.
Other than that, BLO is a zero. It goes even for those cases where the name does not match the name on the Aadhaar, BLO to the rescue. The person will not be able to submit the online form. This is again a learning from Bihar.
That means online zero हो गया. Online का तो confusion नहीं.
I hope all CEOs are okay with this. Archana, Ratan, Office of Uttar Pradesh, CEO Andamans, West Bengal sir, Agarwal sir, Mr. Yashwant Kumar. I hope you're okay with this.
Yes, ma'am.
Not a problem.
मैम एक क्वेश्चन था मैम जो ये ऑनलाइन यदि कोई अपना ई साइन करके मैम अपलोड करेगा अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट फॉर्म तो मैम बीएलओ को किस चीज
नहीं करेगा अपलोड कुछ भी नहीं करेगा।
हाँ, मैं मतलब फॉर्म भरेगा तो मैम वो बीएलओ को कहाँ पे दिखाई पड़ेगा?
हाँ, हाँ, गुड क्वेश्चन। उसमें क्या होगा, अगेन दिस पार्ट आई मिस्ड, anything that the elector is filling up online will be visible to the BLO in his app under the tab form filled by elector online. The English may change here and there, but it will be under a different tab. BLO जब तक उसको verify and continue का बटन नहीं दबाएगा, वो सिस्टम में डिजिटाइज नहीं होगा।
Right.
Are we clear on that?
Right.
Correct. BLO is our hero, so that's why they need to be trained accordingly. Are we okay with the e-sign part, Ratan? Are you okay with that? Archana, you're okay with that? Everybody, all CEOs are please okay with that? You don't see a challenge in that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am. But basically, what we'll have to emphasize is on manual collection rather than this.
Yes, perhaps.
Because it raises the Aadhaar issue again, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No, this is not the Aadhaar issue.
Yes, ma'am.
Please note, we have gone live. We have gone live with eSign and ECI directly. Today, all forms are submitted through eSign. eSign is being used as a tool, point number one. Point number two, the Aadhaar is not being saved by ECI. The Aadhaar is being leveraged through the eSign service provider. So there is no connection. Originally, the capturing of Aadhaar is a problem because then ECI as IT division, we save the Aadhaar of Archana. In this particular case, just for the purpose of conversation and clarifying for the CEOs, because you may be asked this question, there's a clear distinction between capturing Aadhaar that we ask in the form and doing e-sign. Capturing Aadhaar on the form implies that as ECI, Election Commission, we are storing the Aadhaar, which is where the problem perhaps comes in. But if you're trying to e-sign a form, we are not trying to do anything from a technical standpoint. We are not storing your Aadhaar. It is being done by the service provider who is providing e-sign as a tool for ensuring authenticity and non-repudiation. That's all. But again, I leave it to whatever CEOs feel appropriate. But this linkage, this should not be a fear factor, Archana. The two are very different.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, one more question, ma'am, UP से ma'am.
हाँ जी.
Ma'am, during ma'am collection of EF or mapping, अगर मैम किसी BLO ने जो BLO ने मैप कर रखा है वो तो मैम ऐप में शो हो रहा है. जस्ट टाइम उसको मालूम पड़ता है कि ये मैंने अभी मुझसे ऐप में छूट गया था लिंकिंग से, तो मैम ही कैन अपडेट इट.
उसको जैसे ही वो ऐप खोलेगा ना, अरे यार जरा खोला तो ऐप दोबारा, जैसे ही वो ऐप खोलेगा ना, उसको पॉपअप आएगा कि तुम्हारे नीचे 1000 लोग हैं, उसमें से तुमने 40 भरे हैं, बाकी 960 जाके भरो. He can fill up any elector at any time till before pre-draft, till draft roll.
मैम वो मैम जैसे अगर कोई लिंकिंग उसे अभी करनी है आज, तो वो मैम अपडेट पे जाएगा मैम उसका एसी नंबर SIR नंबर भरने के लिए.
आज करना है मतलब देखो, अगर उसने एक इलेक्टर को ऑलरेडी भर दिया.
नहीं मैम, वो मैम कोई ऐसा इलेक्टर जो अभी तक मतलब लेफ्ट आउट था, उसे अब दिखा कि हमसे 2003 में उसका नाम अपडेट
भी कर सकता. वही मैं दोहरा रही हूँ, जैसे ही आपके पास जब BLO अपनी ऐप खोलेगा, आज की डेट में उसके नीचे जितने इलेक्टर्स हैं उसको सारे दिखेंगे. उसमें से मान लो उसने 100 कर लिए, बाकी रह गए, वो कभी भी जाके कर सकता है उनको. बिफोर ड्राफ्ट पब्लिकेशन.
राइट.
एक बार ड्राफ्ट पब्लिकेशन हो जाएगा तब वो फ्रीज हो जाता है.
जी मैम.
एनी अदर क्वेश्चंस प्लीज.
मैम एक सवाल है राजस्थान से कॉलर के वजह से रही हूँ. मैम आपने माइग्रेटेड डेड वोटर्स के बारे में एक स्क्रीनशॉट दिखाया था जिसमें EF का फ्रंट और बैक दोनों ही स्कैन करने के लिए बॉक्सेस बने हैं. अब बैक पे तो कुछ है नहीं मैम, साइन भी नहीं हो रहा है, तो
वेरी गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन, वेरी गुड ऑब्जर्वेशन. मैंने जान के 2 दिए हैं, मुझे भी पता है कि EF इस बार एक ही है. दीज आर फॉर दोज प्लेसेस जहाँ पे कई जगह सिग्नेचर ऑफ BLO दूसरे पन्ने पे चला गया.
ओके.
कई जगह ना फोटोज है, फोटो बड़ी है, ऑल्दो वी एडजस्टेड दैट वेरी सून आफ्टर वी वेंट लाइव, पर तब भी तो उसमें हमने तो रिक्वेस्ट की है कि या तो दोबारा जनरेट करवा लो या आप सिग्नेचर ही तो है पहले पन्ने पे करवा लो. लेकिन तब भी ऐसे केसेस हो सकते हैं कि किसी स्टेट ने दोनों कर लियो, चाप लियो. ठीक है, BLO का सिग्नेचर, इसलिए हमने मैंडेटरी नहीं रखा है, हमने एक प्रोविजन दिया है. अगर कहीं पे 2 पन्ने हैं तो कर लीजिए अपलोड, वरना मत करिए. ये मैंने बिल्कुल सोच के करा है, इसलिए करा है.
जी, थैंक यू मैम.
हाँ जी. और कुछ? एनी क्वेश्चंस प्लीज एनीवन?
Ma'am, Mayur here from Goa.
Oh yes, hi Mayur, please tell me.
Hi, ma'am. Not related to this. In the morning, we had one question on BLOs clicking epic distribution.
Hanji,
So
hanji.
if all the 12 states are there, we can take some call on that.
Oh yes, good point, Mayur. Very good point. I forgot. Okay, so I just want to tell you. एक मिनट जरा स्क्रीनशॉट मैं ही खोल देती हूँ. विकास, can you open the screenshot of ECINet dashboard? खोलो. I'll show you a data, please. ECINet dashboard है ना access तेरे पास ही, मैं अपना खोलूँ. हाँ, just open it. I would want you to see some very interesting statistics. You as CEOs need to tell me what should I do. You need help, Pita? Should I do it? कर लोगे? नहीं, you'll have to log out and do it again. ये ठीक नहीं है इसके. नहीं, dashboard पे जाओ. हाँ, go to SIR 2025. This is the new tab that's come up. करिए. Let's say Rajasthan. Rajasthani हमें दिख रहा है. Let's go and check out Rajasthan. करो. Pick up Rajasthan from the drop down. Submit करो. नीचे चलो. अब ये देखो, आपके में टोटल EF डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड ऑलरेडी 19,000 दिख रहे हैं, जबकि EF डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन इज सपोज्ड टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 4th. सो मुझे लग रहा है ये डेटा BLO ने अपने टेस्ट डेटा डाला है. वोट बटन दबा रहा है बैठकर, है ना, चाहे उसने EF एक्चुअली डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किया है या नहीं किए हैं. Mayur से यही सुबह I spoke to Mayur in the morning and I put that message in the nodal officers group that I think this is wrong data. This is not genuine data. We got very excited when I saw this data. I got very excited. I said, very nice. Yeah, BLOs are being very proactive. But then I took a step back and realized this is not actual genuine data. This is data being put by the BLO as a matter of testing the app. So can I get a consensus from the CEOs that if you feel this is genuine data, we will not touch it. But if you feel this is testing data, on the night of 3rd, we will make it 0. So I wanted the consensus of CEOs on this. Should I make it 0 on the night of 3rd night, or you feel it's genuine data?
Yes, ma'am. From West Bengal, you can make it 0 at 3rd night.
Tamil Nadu?
TN also, ma'am. We can make it 0, ma'am. Because
okay. Kerala?
For Goa also, ma'am, we can make it 0.
Yeah, Mayur told me today morning itself, make it 0. What about Kerala? Ratan, we can make it 0? Is Ratan connected or he's dropped off?
Ma'am, Andaman, we can make it as 0, ma'am.
We can make it as 0. West Bengal 0. Rajasthan 0. Chhattisgarh, can we make it 0, please?
Ma'am, UP से भी 0, ma'am, because BLO are testing in the app.
हाँ, BLO. So generally the consensus is we make it 0, correct?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am. CGCP, ma'am, make it 0.
Make it 0. Thank you so much. Puducherry also 0. So that's at least BLOs are becoming active, which is a nice sign.
Also, madam.
It's a good sign. Kerala is not connected. I'll speak to Ratan offline after this meeting. So we will make it 0. Gujarat also we can make it 0. So I guess we can end the meeting now if there are no more questions, and I'll be sharing the PPT in the group for you to convert into vernacular. So is that okay?
Ma'am, DO Paschim Bardhaman, ma'am, one small question, ma'am.
Hanji.
Ma'am, can we map the elector with other than mother, father, grandmother, or grandfather?
No, we are talking about the bloodline.
Ma'am, for example, uncle blood relation, other direct blood relation, if an elector is showing, can we do that if he is able to prove his linkage through other documents?
See, no, I think it's not my call to take as IT on that. This, I would request your CEO, sir, to speak to maybe Honorable Commission and give us a direction in that. In this case, IT would like to get a direction. Because up till now, it's been restricted to father and grandfather, grandmother. Although what you're saying sounds logically correct, because if my uncle is there and there's a bloodline associated, I should be allowed. So it sounds logical. And as IT, we can do it also. But I'll need a direction for that, which currently I don't have. So if I get a direction, I can do it.
Ma'am, noted.
Ma'am, from Gujarat.
Hanji.
Ma'am, is it possible to disable this option till 3rd for distribution?
No, why are you stopping a BLO to stop testing here? He's trying to figure it out. He's trying to navigate. Do you think we should stop it? I feel let him try. We'll make it 0. Guys, what do you feel? What does the CEOs please feel?
Fine, ma'am, no issue.
No, I mean,
Ma'am, if you don't allow them to try, then they will come back and training will be an issue.
Correct.
During
That
training.
is what I was thinking. I don't think we should stop the BLOs from trying because they're doing a good job of trying, which was very heartening to see. Let them keep trying. CEOs have taken a call. We'll make it 0 on third night. After 12 o'clock, we'll make it 0. After 12 o'clock, whatever he distributes, it's genuine data. So is it okay?
Okay, ma'am, from West Bengal. Okay.
Thank you. Thank you. So can we disconnect? I'll be sharing the PPT. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.